Hey there friends, welcome back to another video. So this week we're going to be focusing on our last short vowel sound, and that is going to be the letter U. So U says as in up or umbrella, and that's the sound we're going to be focusing on this week. So today we're just going to kind of introduce that sound and that letter. We're going to be looking at some CVC words together. We're just going to practice reading those words and kind of sounding them out and getting used to seeing that U sound in our words. We'll continue to practice this U sound this week in different formats. And by the end of the week, we'll be short U pros. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's review what our CVC words are. This will be our last week really focusing on CVC words. Starting next week, we'll be moving to some other content. But just as a review, CVC words are words that we can sound out. They have 3 letters and 3 sounds. And that CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. These words also always have a short vowel sound. So in our consonant, vowel, consonant words, that vowel is always going to say its short sound. This week our vowel is U, so it's going to be saying its short sound, Let's sound out this word together. We see the letters B, U, G. The letter B is a consonant, U is a vowel, and G is another consonant. So this is a CVC word. The sounds these letters would make B, G. What word do I make when I blend those sounds together? B, G. Bug, very good. So this would be the word bug. We can also have nonsense CVC words or words that aren't even real. This word here says R-U-P. That is a consonant, a vowel, and another consonant, so it means we can sound it out. And these letters would make these sounds. What nonsense word am I making with those sounds? P. Rup. Very good. Now there's no such thing as a rup, but we can rely on our blending skills to figure that out. Before we get too far into things, friends, I do want to watch our video. But I also want to make a special note that the sounds for U and the sounds for Y can sometimes be really confusing. Think about it this way. When you say the letter U, you actually make the sound for Y at the beginning. U, right? But that doesn't mean that that's the sound that U makes. U says So it's very important that while we're thinking about how to sound out these words, we're making the sound for U, and not the sound for Y, y. Okay, so just keep that in mind as we move forward this week.
CVC words, I know what they are. Consonant, vowel, consonant, 3 letters, that's for sure. When we say each letter, shake your hips. 1, 2, 3. When we say their sounds, stretch your arms left to right with me. When we say the word, reach up high and celebrate. H-U-G. H-U-G. Hug. Hug. H-U-G. Hug. B-U-G. B-U-G. Bug. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. C-U-B. K-U-B. Cub. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. N-U-T. N-U-T. Nut. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Let's do some more CVC words. S-U-N. S-U-N. Sun. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. M-U-D. M-U-D. Mud. Mud. M-U-D. Mud. CVC words, I know what they are. Consonant, vowel, consonant, 3 letters, that's for sure. CVC words, consonant, vowel, consonant. CVC words.
right, so now that we've heard our awesome review, or our introduction, I should say, to our short U words with that sound, let's talk about the word families that we're going to be practicing today. So the first word family we're going to be looking at is the UB family, U-B, UB. The second word family we're going to be looking at is the UG family, U-G, UG. And the last word family we're going to be looking at is the UN family, U-N, UN. A word we might find in the UB family, U-B, UB, is the word tub, T-U-B, tub. The word tub is spelled T-U-B, and since we hear the UB ending, we know it belongs in the UB word family. A word we might find in the UG, UG family is rug. The word rug is spelled R-U-G, and we hear the UG ending, R-U-G, rug. So we know it must belong in the UG family. A word we might find in the UN family is run. The word run is spelled R-U-N, and we hear the sounds un right there at the end, n, run. So we know it belongs in the UN word family. Let's take some words from the UB family, U-B, UB, first. This is our example word, tub, T-U-B, tub. But what happens, friends, if I change that beginning sound t to an What new UB family word did I make? Good, I made the word rub, B, rub. Now I'm going to change my to a s. What new word did I make now? B, sub. Very good. So by changing our first sound to the sound s, I changed the word rub into the word sub. Notice, friends, how the last two letters are staying the same. We still have U and B in each one of these words because we're practicing the UB, UB word family. Now let's look at some nonsense words. If I change the s in sub to a o, what nonsense word did I make? Good, this word is lub, l-u-b, lub. Now if I change my ul in lub to a j, what nonsense word did I make here? Good, this would be the word jub, j-u-b, jub. And lastly, if I change the j in jub to an what nonsense word did I make? Excellent, this would be the word mub, m-u-b, mub. Notice how we had the U and the B even through our nonsense words because all those words belong in the UB word family. Now let's take a look at the UG, UG word family. Our first word here is rug. This was our example word. The word rug is pronounced r-u-g, rug, and we have the UG, UG ending. Watch as the letters U and G stay the same and we continue to hear the g sounds at the end while we change our beginning sound. If I change the in rug to an what new word did I make? Excellent, this is the word mug, m-u-g, mug. If I change the in mug to a what new word did I make here? Excellent, this is the word hug, h-u-g, hug. We're still keeping the U and the G for the UG ending in the UG word family, and we just changed our beginning sound. Now let's take a look at some nonsense words in the UG family. Again, that U and that G are going to stay the same, but just that beginning sound is going to change. If I change the h in hug to a w, what nonsense word did I make? Good, this would be the word wug, w-u-g, wug. So even though that's not a real word, it still belongs in the UG word family because it has the UG ending. If I change the w in wug to s, what new word did I make? Good, I made the word sug. Now that's not a real word, but it's still in the UG word family, right? We still see the letters U and G. and we hear the ug ending. S-ug, sug. And lastly, friends, if we change the s in sug to a k, what new nonsense word did I make? Excellent, I made the word cug. K-ug, cug. Awesome. So lastly, friends, let's look at the un family. These words will all have the letters un at the end, and we'll hear the sounds un at the end of each of these words. Our first word here is run. This was our example word. Run. But let's see what happens if I change the in run to a s. What new word did I make? Excellent, I made the word sun. Sun. Our U and our N stayed the same because this is the un word family. What happens if I change the s in sun to a f? What new word did I make? Excellent, I made the word fun. Fun. Now let's take a look at some nonsense words in the un family. If I change the f in fun to a v, what nonsense word did I make? Wonderful, I made the word vun. Vun. Very important to carefully sound that word out. So we're still in the un family. We still have the un ending, but now we're just looking at some nonsense words. So if I change the v in vun to a z, what new nonsense word did I make? Good, I made the word zun. Zun. We can continue to practice our un word family even when we're looking at nonsense words. So let's look at one more nonsense word here. If I change the sound z in zun to y, what nonsense word did I make? Good, this is the word yun. Yun. Still with that un word ending, that means we're in the un word family. So let's practice a bit of sorting here, friends, and then I'll tell you what to do for Seesaw. So this is a picture of a sub. Does a sub fit in the ub word family or the ug word family? That's right, a sub belongs in the ub family, right? Sub belongs in the ub word family. How about a hug? Hug. Does hug belong in the ub family or the ug family? That's right, hug belongs in the ug family. Hug. How about a cub? Cub. Does a cub fit in the ub family or does it fit in the ug family? That's right, cub belongs in the ub family. Cub. Now let's practice sorting between the un families and the ug families. This is a picture of a sun. Does sun belong in the un family or does it belong in the ug family? That's right, it belongs in the un family. Sun belongs in the un family. How about a mug? Mug. Does mug belong in the un family or the ug family? That's right, mug belongs in the ug family. Mug. And how about a bun? Bun. Does bun fit in the un family or the ug family? That's right, it fits in the un family. Bun. Great work today, friends. Your code word is words. W-O-R-D-S, words. If I were to use this word in a sentence, I might say, I'm going to practice reading my words. Words. W-O-R-D-S, words. So when you get to Seesaw, friends, it's going to look like this. And here's what you're going to do. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to use your drawing tool or your text tool to write the code word here at the bottom. Now remember, the code word today was words, so you're going to write W-O-R-D-S, words. After you've done that, you're going to switch to the Move tool. Using the Move tool, you're going to click and drag the pictures into the correct boxes. So up here at the top, we see we have the UB-UB family, the UG-UG family, and the UN-UN family. So your job is to figure out which pictures belong in which boxes. For example, this is a picture of a sub. Would sub belong in the UB-UB family, the UG-UG family, or the UN-UN family? Whatever you think, you're going to click that picture and drag it into the appropriate box. We also have the pictures bun, bug, tub, sun, and rug. I'll read them one more time. We have sub, bun, bug, tub, sun, and rug. Your job is to click and drag the pictures into the correct boxes. Remember, friends, there will be 2 pictures in each box, so 2 pictures for each word family. And if you forget what a picture is or you need extra help, come on back, watch this video again, and you will be good to go. All right, friends, good luck on your seesaw activity. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. Rock on, my superstars, and I'll catch you all next time.